Hi besties! Welcome to Princess Design Academy. I am Princess Valeska, and today Queen Elsa has a royal glamour emergency. She is getting ready to test her new winter look, but her magical makeup kit is completely blank and needs our creative touch. Can we use our magic coloring to build her a beautiful heart-shaped palette, sparkling lipsticks, and reveal a gorgeous real-life Elsa doll transformation? Give me a big thumbs up right now if you love makeup, toys, and sparkly art. Let's start drawing.
In the enchanted castle where the magic...
Drawing. Let's draw Elsa's dream beauty set. First, we sketch the cute lipsticks with little hearts on them. Next, let's draw a big, beautiful heart-shaped makeup palette. Inside, we create an oval mirror on top and 5 lovely heart spaces for the colorful eyeshadows. Don't forget the little brush on the bottom and a cute heart keychain on the side. Look how easy and fun it is to draw. Coloring. Blue. Lilac. Pink. Dark pink. Purple. Sky blue. Gray. White. Elsa is completely ready and looks more beautiful than ever. Besties, thank you for being such wonderful royal makeup artists today. Sparkle, now I need your important vote. What was your favorite part of Elsa's new look? Her sparkling heart eyeshadows or her gorgeous snowflake dress? Don't leave our Beauty Academy just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical princess dress-up stories. See you there. Bye-bye.